Python Essentials 1, Module 2 quiz. The escape character owes its name to the fact that it changes the meaning, can be caught, escapes from source files into the computer memory. Doesn't make sense. Cannot be caught due to its high speed. Okay, this is the right answer, of course, because what it does, it changes the meaning of the character next to it. So the escape character is actually the backward slash. And for example, if you have an N after it, it changes the meaning from the letter N to the new line symbol. All right. The meaning of the positional parameter is determined by its position. There are positional parameters and keyword parameters in Python, and positional parameters just simply work depending on where they are positioned in the list of parameters for a function call. All right, the most important difference between integer and floating point numbers lies in the fact that, okay, integers cannot be literals while floats can. All of them can be literals. They cannot be used simultaneously. They can actually be mixed in an expression. They are stored differently in the computer memory. This is the correct answer. The OX prefix, this is actually 0x prefix means that the number after it is denoted as, the number after it is denoted as a hexadecimal. So OX is the prefix for hexadecimal, OB is for binary, and actually OO, so like the digit 0, then a small letter O is for octal. The // operator, this is the integer division. So the result is always floored and always integer. The result of the following addition, okay, so what we have here, we have an integer and we have a float number. Whenever you have at least one float in a mathematical expression, the whole result will always be float as well. So this is the right answer. Only one of the following statements is true. Which one? Multiplication precedes addition. That's correct. Multiplication has more priority than addition in maths as well as in programming. Addition precedes multiplication. Neither statement. Okay, this is the right answer. Right-sided binding means that the following expression, 1 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, will be evaluated. So exponentiation is the only operation which is bound right side from the right side. So what will happen first? First, this operation will be performed. 2 to the power of 3 means 8, and then 1 to the power of 8. For this specific example, the result actually would be the same, whether it's right-sided or left-sided. But of course, correct answer for exponentiation is from right to left. And of course, with different numbers, the results would differ. A keyword is a word that it cannot be used as a function name, and it cannot be used as a variable name. Is this the most important word in the whole program? There is no such thing, like just one most important word in a program. A value returned by the input function is always a string. So whenever input function returns input taken from the user, from the keyboard, or from some other source, it is always a string. And if you need to have this information in form of a number, you would have to convert this string into an integer or float, or maybe some other data type. So the correct answer here is string. Okay.